Hey guys, Mark Muse here, giving you a quick market update. If you like this video, just give me a like below. Let's get to it. Starting off with the S&P 500. So these are the notes that I made last time. So last week we've been holding to this. I did not make a video this morning as I felt like nothing had changed. So we're looking at this golden cross in the 4-hour. Let's take a look what happened. And it happened. So we've had this channel drawn out, and we saw that we broke out and we came back to retest. So that was a warning to shorts. So it was this cross, which seemed to have followed through and give us this extra boost here. And then we're looking at the next fib at 786, which was 2815. And we seem to have topped off here right below it. So we got front run to 2813.49 on the SPX. So we hit major resistance zone where we had this whole order block going on, plus the fib and these tops right here. So it would have been almost like a triple top going on. And we got rejected. On the 4-hour, it's pretty clear. On the daily, we got this bearish candle happening here. All right, so what do we see here? So we had a bit of a fake at sort of earlier, late last week, where we had this wedge happening, then we broke out, tested it, and couldn't get back above it. So you see there. Now we gapped up over into the wedge, and we got rejected. So we cannot sustain the price up here. How else can you draw this? Yeah, I'll stick to what I had before, the wedge. So I think we may have topped here, and this would have been an actual reversal. This seems to have given us more of a reason, due to these confluences of the zone of where we're reversing, to sort of speculate that this is the top for now, and we're going to be turning into a new trend. So if you shorted up here near the fib, congratulations. Close your stop losses. Make sure they're in. And where are we going to be looking for? Let's take a look. All right, so if you guys are following this chart that I've been posting for days, a couple weeks now. So if you took this short, notice that this wedge is unable to be held. We broke down again. And we have the fib, we have these resistance zones, this order block. So if you had taken a short, I would move your stop loss right to here. So if you had taken it somewhere around here, after this trend line, I will move my stop loss into some profit. So let's see where we could retrace to if this is a potential top. Okay, so now we know where we stopped at. These zones are good. Okay. Let's clean this up a little bit. And now where can we go? we're going to do is we're going to take the fib from the bottom to the top. And we're going to be looking for the first fib to hold some kind of support. $7.27.0. Okay, so let's take a look at this area right here. Now that would be somewhat bullish if we come here and then continue up. But if we get past this zone, then I'm gonna actually make that yellow, kind of a warning. I'm not sure this is gonna be if we get past the 50, actually, this is going to be a reversal. And not good. Okay, that's your stoplight, your traffic light there. So we have a golden cross. So we're going to be watching that. Let's move on to daily. Let's take a look at what's going on here. So I'm expecting a pullback here. We're not quite sure to what extent. So we're going to be looking at possibly the 200 moving average on a daily to hold some kind of support. We could potentially see something like this, just to give you some alternatives. We're going to look at this case. Okay. And then the other, which I'll draw in whatever that color is, going to come down. It's going to come down in some kind of leading diagonal. So we're going to be watching and how this comes down, because that will be a telling sign of what's going to happen potentially, most likely, in the near future. So the second scenario that I can see happening is this, where we come down, test the fib, we bounced off, get resistance by the channel, and then we come down to test the median. And from there, we can bounce off to attempt a new high, challenge the all-time highs to either make a new all-time high or come right before it. So let's keep an eye on that. Okay. Alright guys, now if you have any stock picks, just comment below and I'll take a look at them on the channel for the next video. I hope you found this video useful or informative. If so, give me a thumbs up. This supports the channel greatly and I appreciate it. And if you have suggestions for future video topics, please comment below and I'll see you in the next one. Trade safely. Bye.